Hey, good day everyone. I'm so excited to bring you this Vevor brand pole mounted pruner saw. This thing is slick, so check this out. Comes with the saw here. Now what you can do is use the saw by itself here as a handheld, or you can mount it to the pole here, this extender pole. Comes with a battery, charger, safety glasses, got some oil here, some gloves, and of course the user manual. But check out how this thing works with the pole saw or without it. Just to cover a couple basics here, we'll go ahead and pull this up and then pull the guard off the blade there. The oil goes right there, right here. Squirt some of that in there. Now for operating this thing, I got no battery in it right now, but you want to push on this button here, that's the safety, and then you can squeeze the trigger. See, if you don't push on the safety, the trigger won't depress. Got the battery in there. So to use this with the pole accessory, you want to take this piece off too, because what's going to happen on the pole here, the saw is going to go on that end, and then the battery is going to go down here, down by the trigger. Same thing here, push, squeeze for the safety. To take this off, just push that button and slide it out. It just pops right out of there. Now you take it like that, so that end's showing. Come over here, and that slides right into here. This thing's very versatile as far as the angles it can achieve. So it'll come way back here, but it can go way back this way as well. And even more so that way. So you got a wide range of angles you can use. Okay, now to hook the battery up and use the pole, you're gonna want to put this adapter on there. All right, that just slides in there, and to take it off, just push that button and pull it out. Okay, I'll show you the operation on it. So push that. And to adjust it, it's actually got a spring-loaded function here. So if you pull this up and you want to shorten it, see, it'll easily go back together. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate the handheld saw first. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate it from the pole. To do that, you just push on that button and it'll slide right out. Then we'll put the adapter and the battery back on this. And we'll go ahead and put some oil in it. Go for it. Good for high branches here too. This thing's gonna come off. Good job. All right, when we're done, go ahead and put the cover back on the blade. All right, now to charge it up, take this and just slide it right back in the charger there. Charging up. This little feature here secures the saw to the pole too. Just flip it up like that, and that locks it in so it won't slide off of there.